Hello, I'm Eric North, and I'm here with Monica Randazzo, and we're at the U4 Nursery at the University of Minnesota. Today, we're going to talk to you a little bit about the importance of watering your newly planted tree. You might think, the newly planted tree can just be watered by the rain. That's how trees in nature are watered. However, you might have noticed that the weather can be a little unpredictable, and we want to make sure our trees stay well watered.
Before watering your trees, you want to check the soil moisture. One way to test this out is using a screwdriver. Try and press the screwdriver into the soil. If it is hard to press in, the soil is dry and needs water. If it's easy to press in, the soil is likely at a good moisture level. If the soil is very easy to push into and it's sort of soggy, then you likely have too much water in the soil and you want to wait to water it for a few days.
There are lots of ways to water a newly planted tree. You could purchase a tree watering bag, which has a hole at the top and comes with zippers. You simply zipper the bag around the tree, and when it's secured, you fill the bag with about 20 gallons of water. At the base of the bag, there are perforated holes that allow the water to slowly seep into the soil. You could also purchase a plastic tube that fills with water and is designed to slip around the base of a newly planted tree. Simply remove the plug, fill up the tube with water, and at the bottom of the tube there are small holes that allow the water to slowly seep into the soil. Another method is by using a soaker hose. A soaker hose is a special hose that's designed to allow water to slowly leak out and seep into the soil. Simply connect a soaker hose to a typical garden hose, turn on the water, and the water will slowly seep into the soil. The easiest way to water a newly planted tree is by using a 5-gallon bucket. Simply fill the 5-gallon bucket up with a typical garden hose, and when the bucket is either full or full enough that you can still carry it, bring it over to the base of the tree and slowly pour the water around the base of your newly planted tree. If you notice that the water is starting to pond or pool at the base of the tree, stop, wait for the water to fully drain in. If the water doesn't drain in, the tree's been watered enough, and you can come back another day. Otherwise, continue to water until the bucket is completely empty. You want to water about 4 5-gallon buckets a week, or around 20 gallons.
So remember, just like you, your new tree needs plenty of water to survive, especially during hot summer days. So enjoy your new tree and happy watering!